I made my first million in forex trading at age 25. And sasabihin ko yung totoo, trading is not easy. Hindi siya madali, but it is very simple. Nagsimula ako sa manual trading to build my skills and grow my portfolio. Tapos sumunod ako sa copy trading to diversify my income. Tapos gumamit rin ako ng bots to make my trading more efficient and automated na. Then, naging lead trader ako. So nagpakopya ako ng trades ko. It's a simple system. Kahit ikaw, pwede kang kumita sa trading. Kung tamad ka, pwede kang mangopya ng trades ng profitable na trader or use a bot to automate it. That's already passive income for you. Kung hindi ka tamad, kung disiplinado ka, mag-aral ka. Learn technical analysis, trading strategy, risk management, and trading psychology. At kung matalino ka, pwede mong ipagsabay lahat. You can trade to sharpen your skills, copy trade to diversify, bot to automate, combine mo lahat. And you are earning more and faster. Karamihan kasi sa mga tao, nasusunugan sila or naliliquidate yung account nila. Not because kulang ang capital nila or pangit yung trading strategy. It's because they don't have a solid trading plan. They risk too much and they treat trading like gambling. So kung ikaw, pagod ka na sa cycle na hype, trade, sunog, na-hype ka na naman, nag-trade, nasunog, paulit-ulit na lang, at gusto mong matuto ng trading ng tama at libre, or gusto mong mangopya sa mga profitable na traders, you can join our community. Just click the link in my bio, piliin mo yung unang link, and join our Telegram channel. Nasa pinned messages na lahat ng step-by-step process, instructions kung paano magsimula. Again, libre po ito lahat. Happy trading guys! God bless!